Hi, my name is Jose Ayala. I am one of the math people. So I'm pursuing my credential in mathematics, or I'm a math candidate. In terms of technology in the classroom, I'm going to talk first about what I've experienced as a student, and I'm also going to talk about my experience as a tutor, and then the type of technology that is available in my classroom right now that I am student teaching. So, as a student, think it's when I came here to the United States. I had never used a computer before, and so came at the age of 10, and they emphasized a lot, for students to learn how to type. So we would take typing classes, um, and then teachers also used a lot of the overhead projectors, the ones that use clear sheets, and that's how I remember the type of technology that we would use. I don't remember using calculators a lot as a student until I got to high school. So in high school, the overhead projectors were still being used a lot. The clear sheets were still used a lot. Um, but now, we had scientific calculators that would definitely help us out a lot more in mathematics. Um, in terms of the sciences and social sciences, I think that we did a lot of PowerPoint. You use a lot of PowerPoint, um, and other technology. Well, we used the internet. I remember from my AP Economics class, we had a blog that our teacher would make us answer certain questions, and we had the opportunity to be there and ask our own questions as well, have conversations with our classmates. We're also able to see our grade. It helped us a lot when it came down to being on top of our grade. In terms of, see what else. That's about it. I think as a student. When I got to college, the use of the computer became more needed. Um, I don't remember professors using PowerPoint presentations other than when I took AP Statistics and when I took like bio classes, but that's about it. Um, yeah. Now, as a as a tutor, um, I also don't remember using a lot of technology. It was more one-on-one, so therefore, the most technology that I used was calculator, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Now, as a student teacher, last term, um, I was placed at John Adams Middle School, in downtown Los Angeles. So for that, I was placed with uh, through the magnet program, and although they have a lot of funding, that particular classroom did not have um, many resources in the sense of technology. I felt that I was very restricted with the technology. We did have a document camera. That's about um, the most that we had. Like we could project things on the board. We could project student work on the board, which was really important, and it definitely made the lessons a lot more student centered, and it helped with the flow of the lesson. Um, Also, the teacher did have a set of, a classroom set of TI-84s, which definitely helped with every single lesson. So that every lesson that I could incorporate graphing calculators, I definitely used it because students were able to have their own device and were able to interpret things the way they wanted to interpret them. So um, that definitely made things a lot easier in terms of technology. Um, what else did I have in that classroom? Calculators, document camera. I think that's about it. On top of my head, I don't remember anything else that we had. In the classroom that I am now, which is at Glendale High School, I am a lot more limited than I was in last term, in the sense that the only technology that I have is the document camera. There is a set of computers in the classroom, but I believe that's only used for the avid students. At least that's what my guided teacher has told me. Since she has an avid class, that set of computers is only used for the avid class. I don't see any other form of technology in the classroom that can help me with the flow of the classroom. I only have document camera. So as you can see, I mean, I know that I've seen before in the past um, people talk about smart boards, and we have them in our classroom, of course. We never experienced it before or how to use it, but definitely something that I wish I had in the classroom would make my life a lot easier when it came to graphing certain things or just representing information to students. Um, but for now, the document camera I think works pretty fine. I hope that this class shows us that even though we are limited with our technology in the classroom, that we could use this technology that we have and make our lessons more engaging, more student centered. That's what I'm hoping to get from this class: how to create lessons that would engage my students more and would allow me to incorporate more technology. I know there's Mathematica, there's GeoGebra, and there's other aspects. I have my iPad where I could try to use it, but definitely something that can be very useful in the classroom. That's what I'm looking forward for this class, to learn, more than what we did in 516, 506. I'm sorry, something more specific rather than just like a broad, you know. Um, so yeah, I'm looking forward for this class. Hopefully, there's a lot of more things to learn, and looking forward to it.